Hello everyone. Today I'll explain how to show your failed transaction on Solana chain. This is very important because if you are a beginner, you may not resolve the transaction failure. But if the transaction is on chain, you ask to someone and someone else can see it and may help you. So this is very important. And this is very simple. You have to set skipPreflight true. It's simple. And I refer this Metaplex documentation. It's very good documentation. Now I process step by step from the first point, step one. But if you already understand how to create an NFT and how to send a transaction and so on, you can skip these steps. Okay, now let's start. For the first time, I'll create a project by using npm init-y and create a TypeScript file. So npm init-y, okay? Yes, I did it. And touch create nft.ts. Okay, I did it. Okay, I create a project. Next, step two, create a connection. Okay. To connect the blockchain, we have to create a connection instance. And for the first time, we have to install Solana Web3.js to use connection. So npm install Solana Web3.js. Okay. And after this install, I import a connection. Okay, so import connection from web3 solana/web3.js. Okay, and next create an instance. Okay, create an instance const connection equal new connection and set API URL. Sorry, and cluster API URL is very convenient. So cluster API URL, and this is from Solana Web3.js, and set devnet. Okay, cool. Now I finished step 2, and step 3. I get the Keypair from your file. Okay. For the first time, we have to understand where is my key file. So Solana config get. Oh, sorry, Solana config get. So I find that this is my Keypair path. Okay, and next I use get Keypair from file and from Solana developers helpers. So npm install at Solana developers helpers. Okay, easy. And we import get Keypair from file. Okay, import get Keypair from file. Okay, and use it. Const user equal await get Keypair from file. Sorry, no, wait. Get Keypair from file. And we set no, sorry, wait. Okay, Keypair from file and set our Keypair path. Okay. And I want to check whether we can get the Keypair or not. So console.log address is user.public key.do base 58. Okay. And I want to execute the TypeScript, and esrun is very simple way. So npm install esrun. Okay. Okay. Then execute this file npx esrun and this file's name. Okay. I get the address. Okay. Then I finish step 3. Next step 4. Okay. I create UMI to connect to blockchain. And UMI is by creating UMI, we use create UMI, and this is from Metaplex Foundation UMI bundle defaults. Okay, so npm install Metaplex Foundation slash UMI bundle default. Okay, and import create UMI. Okay, as import create UMI, create UMI. Okay, from this point. Okay, now we can create UMI const UMI equal create UMI, create UMI, and we set create UMI API URL, and API URL we can get from a connection dot this point RPC endpoint, connection dot RPC endpoint. So create UMI and connection dot and RPC endpoint. Okay, cool, good. Then we can create UMI, create instance. Next, we should set MplTokenMetadata to UMI instance. MplTokenMetadata is from Metaplex Foundation MplTokenMetadata. Okay, so npm install Metaplex Foundation slash mpl token metadata. Okay, and import npm import mpl token metadata. Okay, and set mpl token metadata to UMI instance. And to set, we use function. So uni.use. Okay, and mpl token metadata, and this is function. Okay, good. Now I set mpl token metadata to UMI instance. Okay, and next set Keypair to UMI instance. For the first time, we got a Keypair from file, but we have to make a Keypair to specific to the UMI by using umi.eddsa.create Keypair. Okay, so const UMI user equal umi.addsa.create Keypair from secret key. And where is the secret key? A secret key is here, user dot secret key. Okay, cool. Okay, so okay, and we have to set this UMI user to UMI instance. And to set UMI instance, we use Keypair identity. Okay, is in Metaplex Foundation slash UMI. Okay, npm install Metaplex Foundation slash UMI. Okay. Okay. And import Keypair. Okay. Keypair identity. And set this UMI user to UMI instance. So umi.use and Keypair identity and set UMI user. Okay, cool. Good. Now I have finished step 6. So next, step 7. Okay. Create a signer to the mint account. Okay, this is a mint account. So const collection NFT. This is mint address, mint account. So generate signer to me. Simple. Next, create a transaction. This is a good point. To create a transaction about NFT, we should use create NFT. Okay, so const transaction equal create transaction, create NFT, and sets of fields. Field is mint, name, symbols, URI, seller fee, base point, and is collection. Okay, and mint equal this account collection NFT and name test symbol and URI. In this point, I use this URI. Yeah, this is very simple JSON file. Okay, and image is here. Okay, simple. And I set this URI with point. Okay, and seller basis point. And percentage amount 0. Okay. And last is collection. Equal? Yes, collection. True. Yes, okay. Sorry, no effect. Yeah, I created a transaction. So now I created a transaction. So I want to send a transaction. Send a transaction const result equal await transaction dot send and confirm umi. Yeah, okay. Now I can send the transaction. So I want to check the transaction results. So const signature equal base 58 dot deserialize and this result dot signature. Okay. Oh, sorry, result dot signature. Okay. Now good. Yes. Okay. Yeah, and console.log. Signature. Okay, good. Okay, okay, now I finished step 10. Get a signature using base 58 BCRs. Okay. Okay, now I want to execute this TypeScript file. So npx esrun file name. Okay. Okay, I did it. Now I'll check this signature by using Explorer. So, okay, devnet. Okay, this is a success transaction. Okay, no problem. Now I can send a success transaction. And today, now I want to generate an error. In this time, I'll set a seller fee base point more than 100 point. This makes an error. So now seller fee base point is 0%. Now today, now I set 101 point. Okay. And now I execute this transaction, this TypeScript. Okay. Now I generate an error. Now this is a code. Okay. And if you watch this code, error code, you can understand this point. Basis points cannot be more than 10,000. and code number equal 41. So if you can resolve this error by error code, this is okay. But if you understand the error code and you want to ask someone and someone to watch this transaction, then you can send this failed transaction falsely. Okay, and if you want to send this transaction falsely, you have to set skipPreflight true. Okay, now let's do that. You can use this point, send and confirm, and send and preflight. Skip preflight. Okay, skip preflight is true. Okay, that's it. Then I'll execute this TypeScript file. Now I can get a signature. So I check this signature in the Explorer. Okay, now this signature is error, and I can watch in this Explorer, and we can understand this point. Basis points cannot be more than 10,000, and error code equal 29, and to convert to decimal. Decimal 29 convert equal 41. 41. So you can understand from the error code that this is Metaplex GitHub, and you can check from this error.last, and 41 is here. Okay, and by using the error code, you can understand the codes, and by send a failure transaction to the blockchain, you can ask someone else. Okay, this is the end of this video. Thank you for your watching until this point. Thank you. Bye bye.